At the escalator at the USC village, fire alarm's going off. That's yeah, fire alarm's going off. Fire alarm's going off. I'm filming this for safety. Okay, let's hear what they're saying. It's saying. It says fire emergency in the building. Is this true or not? No? No, fire alarm's going off. This is for safety. I really don't know. Is there some kind of sort of malfunction? This is my first time seeing the fire alarm going off at the USC village. Okay, because I saw it go off. Is it? That's Mom's stairway's over there. I'm nervous. I'm scared. Okay. Dang it! The fire alarms are going off wild. That's one here. There's one here. Okay, so evacuation emergency.
Now we're gonna be here all day long.
Emergency. I think this is an emergency drill. There's one fire alarm out here. There's one over there. Going off. What in the world? Everybody's evacuating. If our alarm stopped. But what in the world is happened? Okay. Do you have any reason why it went off? Okay.
Cut that part out. Cut it out.
No. Okay, the part is what happened is the fire alarm went off for some reason. Everybody's all evacuated. I think there's classes right now, but I think there's a fire pole station over between that building. I think it's a real evacuation route. Yeah. We don't know why it went off. We just got a big surprise.
Big turn into bacon.
No? Okay. It's just a goof off. Okay. Look. The fire alarm freaked me out. Mom, did it freak you out too? Mom, when did it freak? Mom, did it scare you? It kind of scared me when we entered because I said, huh? That did.
Restart the video.
No, I'm not.
Okay. Mom, tell them I don't want to be in the video.
Okay, so.
Tenemos que esperar para que no se...
Don't use that video. I don't want to be in it.
Okay. Sorry, because my brother's not in a good mood right now. He's not in a good mood right now. But you could just see that. That's a fire alarm. There's one in parking lots and stuff. I think these are real. So, thanks for watching. Bye. Like and subscribe and comment and see why it went on.